Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change Steam password. First, open your Steam app. Then, go to the top right corner. Now tap on Account Details. Scrolling down, you can view an option, Change My Password. Just tap on it. So basically, there are two ways to do so. First, get a verification code through your email. Second, if you don't have an email account, then follow the instructions. Tap on the first option. You will get a code at your email ID. Tap on the code. Now enter your new password. After that, re-enter your password. Here, tap on Confirm. Now, Steam login screen will appear. Enter the username and password. A code will be sent to you. Just copy it and then paste it. So this is how your Steam password is changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.